Thank you for visiting. Please subscribe for future videos. They've been lounging in the shade, ready to eat. Look at Frou Frou. She just got up. Y'all ready to go eat? It is hot. Come on in. Come on. They don't know what to do.
Come on.
Hey, Goldie, she's ready.
Come on. She sees.
How y'all doing? There's Wrinkles. Okay. What you doing there, Wrinkles? What you doing there?
How you do? How you doing, kid? You that hungry? You really are. I never seen you this hungry.
I'll go get you something to eat now. It's over there. Just gotta go get it. Mr. Nice. They don't realize it's in that trough over there. Watch out, lady. Hey, lady, what you doing there? You getting you something to eat? Something to eat? Trough is over there, and they still don't know it's in there. They'll get it later, I guess. Frou Frou lady. Goldie cleaning the Frou Frou lady. Goldie's helping her get all the flies off of her. Goldie, you tend to everybody, make sure everybody's okay? Oh, she's gonna clean her face now. you doing there, Scruffs? All right, I'm gonna see if I can call them over here. I'd rather go get my safety stick over here first. See if we can get this. They just don't know us over here. We're here at a different time. And they just don't know. Woo, come on. Come on, let's go get your food. Come on, woo, come on, let's go. Right over here, come on, come get it. Come on, woo, come on. It's all over here, looking good. Looks real good. Come on, woo, come on. Come on and get you some. Come on, let's go, come on. Woo, come on now. Come on, woo, come on. Let's go get it, come on. Come on, come get your trough. Yeah, come on, woo, come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Woo, come over here, come on. Come on, woo, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go get it. Right over here, come on. Y'all gonna have to get in the sun now. Come on, let's go. Come on, come get it. There you go. Oh. There we go. All right, now, it takes one to get out there, them to see it. Y'all did good, okay, sorta. All right, y'all go get them. Y'all did good. Now, there you go. I had no clue. They like, where is that at? Yeah. Just got to show them. All right, good. Now, the happy tails are all ready. Oh boy.